back to another Explore More adventure. Today we're in the Arizona Strip, just south of St. George, Utah. We're beginning today's run at exit 27 along I-15, Black Rock Road. Off in the distance there to the left, it's Black Mountain. It rises up to 5,177 feet. Travels above and parallel to the Black Rock Gulch. There's a couple spots where you can stop and enjoy the view. This was a mapping run for trails off-road. Once we finished 1009, we had to run east for about 11 miles to start at the very beginning of 1004 Black Rock Mountain. 1004 is a very long and unique trail. It begins in the high desert plains, travels up to Black Rock Mountain within the pine trees. And then it finishes way down in the harsh desert of the Grand Canyon Parashant National Monument. Our first stop was at Tombstone Springs. It's a short and narrow 4x4 trail that leads to a natural spring. They dug out the side of the cliff face to help with the water pool up, and it fills up an old steel storage tank. It was good to see a couple other adventurers out on the trail. Views on the switchbacks up Black Rock Mountain were spectacular. Once we got to the top, we were treated to the last of the snowmelt from the season. Camping at the top of Black Rock Mountain is definitely worth the trip up there. There are numerous free campsites to choose from. They're all within the tall pines. views on the back side of Black Rock Mountain are even better than coming up the front side. After you start to drop down from the back side of the mountain, the trail definitely requires four-wheel drive, high clearance, and off-road tires. It gets pretty rough. After dropping down the rough sections of the backside of Black Rock Mountain, definitely have to take a stop at the old cabin. It's right along the side of the trail. It's a real fixer-upper, but it's fully furnished and you can't beat the remote location. The trail continues its rough descent until you climb for one last time into Cottonwood Canyon. This is where the red sandstone cliffs begin to appear, welcoming you into the Grand Canyon Parashant National Monument. We connected this trail with County Road 101 and Lime Kiln Canyon to exit out at Mesquite, Nevada. As always, thank you for watching and sharing with your friends and family. If you have any questions about this route, please leave a comment and we'll help the best we can.